Your girl J Baby, and welcome back to the channel. Today, y'all, I have another haul. It's a rainbow haul, and it's also a Cititrend. Now, I hope y'all know what Cititrend is. Some of y'all do, some of y'all don't. But Cititrend is in Baltimore, Maryland, and Rainbow is in Baltimore, Maryland too. But Cititrend is a place that's something like Rainbow, but you can find anything at Cititrend. So the first item that I'm going to show is it's these pants that I have on. These right here came from Rainbow. They are blue and they have stars all over them. And these came from Rainbow. I like them because they have a very good stretch in them. And these right here are in a size medium. But I have a lot more stretch. So they stretched over. I'm thinking that I couldn't go to a small, really. I couldn't. But this is a medium right here. And these were like $5. And actually, I had bought these for like, was it like Mother's Day? But I never really, and I had wore these one time, but I got these from Rainbow. And the other ones I'm about to show you right here. These also came from Rainbow. I wore them one time, and they all came with the same haul. So we're going to just throw it all in there together. So I'm going to try these on so you can see it. But these, they cut short at the bottom, like capri-like style. I like them because of the stretch. And, of course, they give you that jiggle. You see that jiggle? That's what I like. I like that jiggle, y'all. And, of course, it makes my butt kind of like, y'all see my butt in my swimsuit. So this one kind of like makes my butt like, jiggly like. I kind of like it. So these came from Rainbow, and they were $5. These were $5 also. So I'm going to try these on real quick, and I'll show you what they look like. Ugh. Okay, so here's another pair, and these were $5 also from Rainbow. Now these go all the way down here, but I like to bring them up here. They like capris like. So these right here are like a marble type situation going on. Y'all, look at all of this. Beautiful. I love the plus size. But anyway, this is what the back looks like. And of course, they give you the jiggle, jiggle, jiggle too. And I like the jiggle. I do like the jiggle, y'all. I got all of that, but I'm proud of all of this. So these were $5. They stretch really, really good. These are size medium as well. And yes. Now the next ones I'm going to be showing you. Now I'm going to mix them up. These come from Cititrend. Right here. And they have on the side love. And they're like pretty stretchable. Let's see. It says one size. That's all it says is one size. And these right here were $5 also. So I like the stretch in them. So I'm going to go try these on so you can see what they look like. Okay. So this is what these look like right here. And I'm trying it all with, this shirt on right here. And these are what they look like. Of course, all of this I don't like. But I put that down like that. But I like them. The stretch is like phenomenal. They are one size, but the stretch is like really good. They come like all the way up. Do you see this? All the way up here. And I think they're like see-through. So never mind if you can see through my underwear. I'll see once I look back at the camera. So yes, they are stretchable. I love it. So these were $5 at Cititrend. Now the next ones I'm going to show to you is like they call Thrill, and they're like a stretchy type jean material. And these right here I bought for $5 at Rainbow, y'all. I'll be busting down that clearance rack, busted down. I like it because they are very stretchable. They have the straight leg situation going on here. And I didn't wear these, but I did try them on to see if they work. And they have the pockets, and they also have like little studs on the pockets. I like the studs. And they have also the studs. The detailing is like really good. Oh, and they have pockets. So the stretch on them is like phenomenal. Oh, the stretch on them is like phenomenal. And the size in these are a size large. So I'm going to try these on real quick. And I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm getting tired now. And I ain't even put on nothing really. So this is what the jeans look like. And they have like the belt holes that you could be able to put a belt through. And oh, they have pockets, y'all. Look at this pockets. So this is what the jean look like. I like it because it's a lot of stretch. Oh, definitely. Look from the side. All this stretch that it has up in here. So this is what the back looks like. And yes, these are so comfortable, y'all. So comfortable. I really like them. Let me fix my undies, y'all. You know, you have no underwear that come all the way down here. They don't come up here for when you need to put your clothes. Anyway. But yeah, these are what they look like. And I really like them. I like the studs. I like the fact that they have back pockets. And yes. But what I don't like is the fact that this is rolling around this way. That's what I don't like. But they are really nice. Okay, y'all, the next item I had, and I'm pulling up drawers already, is this capri jumper, the Army Fatigue jumper that like a capri jumper that came from Rainbow. And the price of this jumper was like $7.99, and it's in a size large, and I still have more room. It's very roomly friendly, y'all. So this is what this looks like in the back. And from the side, of course, I don't like all my rolls, but this is me, baby. But yes, so it's really nice. I like it because it's not tight at the end, and it gives me that jiggles too that I like. But it's really nice and form fitting. I love form fitting clothes. Oh, y'all, I feel like my breast's trying to fall. You know, you gotta be careful. But I would have to put on a good bra. I could wear like a shapewear with this, but I don't know, y'all. I don't even care. You know, this is me. This is what I look like, and, you know, I don't have a problem with that. But let me do one more turn for you ladies so you can see. It has the straps up here. And you probably can see my bra back there, but it is what it is. But I really do like this. So this was $7.99 at Rainbow. And let's see, this next one, y'all, I'm scared of this next one. This one came from Cititrend, and this one was $9.99, and it's in a size large. And this is like a whole like jumper with no sleeves. It's sleeveless, so I'm going to be trying this one on next. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. Okay, this is what this looks like. This situation, do that, all that right there. This is what this looks like. And overall from the front looks nice, but I mean, I would have to have on like one of the half bras, because me with the slipper titties is not gonna work, y'all. Make my titties look like they slippers. I need them to stand up like that. And that, you see that joint down there? It's like a slipper, right? All right, but anyway, somebody's trying to call me. But I mean, it's okay, because then you'll see nipple season, nipple season. Let me stop playing if I make them come out. But anyway, they won't come out and play. But anyway, so this is this situation here now. Until I look at my camera, I don't know. Okay, now when I turn around, you see the back. Why is this not up here? It's like really down here. It's not up, if you can see from the side. So, okay, and it feels like it's stuck in my hiney parts. This really feels like it's stuck in my butt, but I mean, overall, I really do like it. It's nice. I like the little flat flower rose pattern that's on here, the little chains and stuff. I don't like the fact that my breast is down, so I'm gonna kind of like maybe make something that I can be able to attach the bra in side of it. Maybe sew something on the side like a half bra so it can be up, you know. But overall, this is what it looks like. And I mean, I'm pretty okay with it, but you know, I just need a little bit more for me. So the next item I'm going to be showing is going to be probably this dress right here. And this dress is from Rainbow, and it was $7.99. It is in a size large. And on it, it has like netting at the top, a little slit on the side. So I'm going to be trying this one on next. Okay, y'all, I lied. Actually, I'm going to try on this one. I'll try this one on in a minute. This dress right here was like $12 and some change. This is on the receipt back here. I can't see, but once I take it off, I'll let you see. And this is in a size large. And this is a nice little tube dress, floral tube dress. It's form fitting. This is what this looks like. I like the fitting on here. And actually, it has like a little cut up here where I can be able to have my breasts in because I'm self-conscious. I like my breasts to sit up, y'all. I don't like them to look like slippers for real. But I mean, I have my little pouch right here. You can see from the side, but I ain't worried about that. It's a nice little dress. And of course, I can bring it up shorter if I want to, but I like it exactly right there. It's a nice little tube dress. Strapless. Of course, I'm gonna wear maybe some shapewear because I don't like to see that right there. In this, not in this particular dress. But yes, this is what this dress looks like. Now, I'm going to go here on and I'm going to try on, being that I don't have a brassiere on right now, I'm going to go here on, no, I can wear a brassiere with this one. This one, it came from Cititrend, and this one was $11 at Cititrend, and this is in a size... This is in a size extra large. This is a nice little black and white sundress. And y'all, I don't know. Maybe the strap back here can fix these breasts. I don't know, but that's a lot. That's not cleavage. That's breasts hanging out, y'all. I mean, it's a nice fit. Of course, you can't wear a bra with this. I don't think that you should wear a bra with it, but I'm thinking maybe some shapewear or something. I don't know, but I don't like this hanging down. Maybe I'll probably sew it up some kind of way. Where's so it'll sit up here some kind of way, because I don't like that. Where's the it hang down like that. And I don't have a mirror so I can be able to see. But this is what the back looks like. I got this from Cititrend, guys. I don't know if I said it, from Cititrend for $11. And this, I'm thinking, it's supposed to be down or something. I don't know how it looks back there, so I won't know how to look at the camera. But this is what this looks like. I mean, not a bad dress for $11, right? I thought this dress was like a little bit more expensive, but not bad for $11. Nice little mini. You know, it's kind of like silky like. Of course, I'm thinking you can see through it. I'm thinking you can see through this. But you can see your underwear print in it, so I have to really tweak this dress to find out about it. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to put a brassiere on now. So this dress right here is going to be the next one, the netted one, and this came from Rainbow for $7.99. So I'm going to be trying this one on next. Okay, let me close that door. Okay, guys, this is the dress here. A nice little dress, summer dress with the little slits on the side. It has the netting here. It has on here Love Rock and a star. Here it has the netting up here. And this is what the back looks like. I mean, it's a nice little form-fitting dress. Also, my little pouch right here. So, I don't know if it's see-through until I look at it to find out if it is. But I think it's a nice little cool dress. I can get with this dress, really. I can. I really like it. It's, I think it's a little see-through, though. So, I have to watch out for that. But it's nice. Really nice. I really do like it. Let me look over here. I really do like it, y'all. But I got all of this that's, you know, I don't know about wearing shapewear being at a see-through. I don't know how I'm going to wear it, but whichever way I'm going to wear it, I am going to put it together with as though I feel comfortable enough. But I like it that I can wear a bra. That's what I'm going to try on. I have these pants right here. And these came from Rainbow, and they are in the size extra large. And these were $5. And then the last item I have is this one right here. And this one came from Rainbow. And this is a 2X and it's $5. So I'm going to be trying these on. Of course, this is not really summer, but I mean, it's in between, you know, if I have like a little cold day. So I'm going to try these two on. I don't know if I'm going to try them on together. Now, of course, I would not wear this and this together. But because this is, I got one more outfit I forgot. Because this is like a shirt, I don't feel like putting on another pair of pants with it. Or, you know, the pants, I don't feel like finding another shirt. I'm just going to try on together. So, please don't think I will walk outside with this on like this, because I will not. And I think that this is more like a fall type shirt, like spring or something like that, fall toward, you know, getting a little bit cold, but not really cold. This shirt is like really beautiful. I got this from Rainbow. And it has like the little arms open right here in the back. It has like a little keyhole right there. I like that. And it has like a button that's right here that ties, that goes up at the neck. Now I think in the summertime I would really be hot in this. And it also has like a little, you know, ruffle thing down here. I really do like this shirt. It's really big though, guys. This is really big. This is an extra large, so I don't know if this will be a shirt for me. I don't know. I mean, it's really big. It's a lot of things I could do with it. But now the pants, I love the pants. They flare out at the bottom. I wish they was a little bit longer at the bottom though, because they have like the blare bottom flare out thing situation going on, and you know, so they only hit me like right here to my hip. Okay guys, this one is from Rainbow, and this one is it costs $5 at Rainbow. I see why it costs $5 at Rainbow. I am like really totally upset, but anyway, this is one where though you can, it don't even matter anymore now. Dang man, you know. But anyway, I'll get to it. This has like the little eyelets in here. You can like bring it up with though it's a cross, you know, like a shoe. Y'all, I'm mad, y'all, because of the fact of the matter that I did not see when I bought this that it had, and this was $5. I see why, and it's a large. I can see why, but I bought it at Rainbow, and I can see why it was $5. And I didn't see when I was putting it on that it had like a little hole in it. So anyway, as I'm trying to, you know, as I'm putting it on, I'm trying to bring it up. Look what happened. Do you see this? The whole darn thing, and it's a hole up here too. Why? I mean, really? How they gonna sell something like that with the holes? I didn't see, you know, I guess that's why I was on the $5 rack, but I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this now. This is crazy. There's a hole right here. And look at this. I mean, what if I had went outside like this? You know what I mean? Oh my goodness. This is crazy. What if I would have went outside like this? I'm taking this back. I'm telling you, I don't care if it got a butthole or not, I'm taking this back. Because this is ridiculous. I don't believe this unless I cut it and make it just out of a shirt. I don't know. But anyway, guys, this concludes, and I'm bothered now. I don't like when I have defect. I gotta open up this door. I don't like when I have defective stuff when I, you know, I thought I checked over it, you know, I didn't. But anyway, this concludes my Rainbow and Cititrend haul. So if y'all like hauls like this, y'all let me know. I'm like really teed off right now, and I'm trying not to curse. I'm really teed off because I like my stuff the way I like my stuff. But I mean, maybe it wasn't meant for me to wear this. You know what I mean? Maybe. But I'm just going to probably cut it or probably take it back to Rainbow. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed the haul. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Rather that or not, the point is, and see, I'm still on it. Rather the point of that or not, the point is that they had a hole in it. I mean, they probably knew it was a hole in this, y'all. Ain't going to give me this. But anyway, well, they didn't give it to me. I picked it, but I thought that I looked at it. They should check the clothes on the rack before you put them up there. Woo-sa. Nam yo ho reggae girl, nam yo ho reggae girl, nam yo ho reggae girl, nam yo ho reggae girl. Yes. Jesus. Okay. Like I was saying, I hope y'all enjoyed the haul, my Rainbow and Cititrend haul. If you like videos like this, please let me know. Thumbs up the video and like, comment, and tell me what outfit that you like the most, what outfit I should go ahead on and wear for the weekend. I'm going to try to put this video up today, being that it is today. Today is Friday. I'm going to try to get it up today. And you can tell me that way when Saturday get here, I already know what outfit y'all like and what looks better on me. I won't be able to sit down and look at the camera. But anyway, please, please, please subscribe to the channel. And we have 9,200 subscribers. Yay! I want y'all to know that I could not have done it without y'all. So anyway, y'all know it, like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off with this hole in the back of her pants. Mwah!